Ashok Leyland, a leading Indian automobile manufacturer, produces a range of military trucks designed for various defense applications. These vehicles are engineered to operate in diverse terrains and challenging conditions, meeting the logistical and tactical needs of armed forces. High Mobility Vehicles, HMV. Ashok Leylands are built for off-road capabilities, featuring robust drivetrains and high ground clearance. They are used for transporting troops, equipment, and supplies across difficult terrains. Light Specialist Vehicles, LSV. These agile and versatile vehicles are designed for quick mobility and can be configured for various roles, including reconnaissance and patrol missions. Mine-Protected Vehicles, MPV. Engineered to safeguard occupants from landmines and improvised explosive devices, IEDs, MPVs feature reinforced hulls and blast-resistant designs to enhance troop safety during operations. Multi-axle vehicles. Ashok Leyland produces multi-axle trucks with configurations such as 6x6 and 8x8, providing increased payload capacity and stability. These are typically used for transporting heavy equipment, artillery, and other large loads. Specific technical details and specifications for these military trucks are often restricted due to security and confidentiality concerns.